Have you ever wanted to relax in your backyard without feeling like you're constantly being watched? Whether you're enjoying your morning coffee, hosting a barbecue with friends, or simply taking a quiet moment after a long day, privacy can make a huge difference in how comfortable your outdoor space feels. The good news is, you don't always need expensive fences or tall walls. The right plants can naturally create a beautiful privacy screen while adding color, texture, and value to your landscape. Today, we're counting down 10 of the best privacy plants that can help block unwanted views and transform your backyard into a peaceful outdoor retreat. Let's begin. Emerald Green Arborvitae is one of America's most popular privacy evergreens, and for good reason. Its narrow, upright growth makes it perfect for lining property boundaries, especially in smaller yards where space is limited. This evergreen keeps its rich green color throughout the year, requires minimal maintenance, and creates an elegant living wall that looks beautiful in every season. For homeowners searching for a classic, low-maintenance privacy hedge, Emerald Green Arborvitae remains one of the best choices available. When it comes to fast privacy, Green Giant Arborvitae is one of the top performers. Under the right growing conditions, this evergreen can add several feet of growth each year, making it an excellent choice for larger properties. Its thick foliage also helps reduce wind and soften outdoor noise, creating a more peaceful backyard environment. Once established, Green Giant Arborvitae is surprisingly easy to care for. Skip Laurel brings year-round beauty with its glossy evergreen leaves and naturally dense growth. In spring, clusters of fragrant white flowers appear and attract pollinators, while the thick branches provide reliable screening throughout the year. It grows well in both full sun and partial shade, making it a versatile choice for many different landscapes. Wax Myrtle is an excellent option for homeowners looking for a fast-growing native privacy shrub. Its soft green foliage creates a relaxed and natural appearance while still forming an effective visual barrier. Once established, Wax Myrtle handles heat, humidity, and occasional drought very well, making it especially valuable in warmer regions. Its small berries also attract birds, adding more life and movement to your garden. American holly combines beauty and function in one impressive evergreen tree. Its dense branches provide privacy throughout the year, while glossy green leaves and bright red berries create beautiful winter interest. Beyond its appearance, this tree also provides important shelter and food sources for birds and wildlife. It is a wonderful choice for homeowners who want a privacy plant that supports a more natural landscape. For those who prefer a more formal-looking privacy hedge, Nellie Stevens holly is an outstanding choice. It grows quickly, maintains a naturally dense shape, and responds well to pruning when a more structured appearance is desired. During colder months, its colorful berries add seasonal interest and brighten the landscape. Viburnum offers much more than privacy. Many varieties produce beautiful spring flowers, colorful berries, and attractive fall foliage, creating interest throughout every season. Their dense branching forms an effective living screen while maintaining a softer and more welcoming appearance compared to traditional hedges. Viburnum is a great choice for gardeners who want privacy with extra beauty. Not every privacy screen needs to come from shrubs or trees. Maiden Grass adds height, movement, and texture while creating a natural visual barrier. Its tall, arching foliage gently sways in the breeze, bringing elegance to patios, pools, and backyard seating areas. During late summer and fall, its beautiful feathery plumes add even more seasonal appeal. For homeowners who love a modern tropical look, Clumping Bamboo can create a fast and attractive privacy screen. Unlike running bamboo, clumping varieties grow in organized clusters and are much less invasive. Their tall stems and lush green foliage create a peaceful atmosphere while providing excellent screening in a smaller space. Always choose bamboo species that are suitable for your local climate and growing conditions. Taking the top spot is the reliable and beautiful Eastern Red Cedar. This native evergreen thrives in a wide range of conditions, from poor soils to hot summers and cold winters. Its dense evergreen foliage provides excellent privacy all year long, while offering valuable shelter for birds and wildlife. With its beauty, durability, and low-maintenance nature, Eastern Red Cedar remains one of the best long-term privacy plants you can grow. Creating a private backyard doesn't always require expensive construction or complicated landscaping projects. By combining evergreen trees, flowering shrubs, and ornamental grasses, you can create a peaceful outdoor space that looks beautiful throughout every season. Which of these privacy plants would you choose for your backyard? Share your favorite in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more landscaping ideas that help you create the garden of your dreams.